Hello there, good evening. A very dramatic day of weather for us yesterday across the east. Today was a little quieter, but still some really sharp showers around and a misty, murky start to the morning as captured by a weather watcher here in Letchworth Garden City in Hertfordshire. But also some sunny spells around for much of the day too, as captured by a weather watcher here in Walton-on-the-Naze. And we're going to be following the same sort of pattern as we head through the next few days. So it'll still be mild for the time of year, above average temperatures, but it will be rather unsettled. Low pressure is still set to dominate, and you can see all this activity just towards the south of us on the pressure chart here. The mild air captured by that yellow colour, of course, very mild air, and these weather fronts are set to be swinging towards us as we head through the next few days or so. So really quite unsettled, and still some more showers overnight tonight as well. Some of those showers likely to be on the sharp side, but they will clear away into tomorrow morning. That fairly brisk southerly to southeasterly wind eases down too. There could be a few mist and fog patches forming into tomorrow morning, and it will be a mild start to the day with lows of 12 or 13 degrees Celsius. Now tomorrow, well, a brief ridge of high pressure is set to keep us largely dry. The best of the sunshine tomorrow will tend to be through the morning. There will be a bit more cloud developing as we head through the afternoon. Again, it's set to stay really very mild for the time of year with highs of 17 or 18 degrees Celsius. Again, the southerly to southeasterly wind will start to pick up as we head towards the end of the day ahead of the next approaching weather front. You can see that quite nicely on the pressure chart here, this big swirl of low pressure, and that's going to be winging its way towards us on Sunday. So it's a dry enough early start to the day across parts of Norfolk and Suffolk, but then it will turn wet here too. There'll be some heavy downpours on and off throughout the day. It won't be raining all the time. There'll also be some drier spells too, perhaps even a little bit of brightness. And it's still mild for the time of year, of course, as well, with highs of 17 or 18 degrees Celsius once again. Now, very little changes as we head into the start of next week. So it's still mild, temperatures still peaking in the high teens in Celsius. The wind will pick up at times, lots of dry weather, but also possibly still some heavy showers.